Well, actually, we've been friends for a long time. Probably about a year. I feel like I should be more comfortable in front of you now, but... I'm not. Radio and Capital City Health Club are doing a Shake It Off program. So it's basically the Biggest Loser for Helena. And we're one of the sponsors, one of the radio sponsors. So as part of that, they do swag bags for them. One of the things we wanted to do was have a really nice insulated water bottle for them. Hit my car here. To have in their bag. And so we wanted to get something quality and lasting and something that they're actually going to keep and use and that is an actual item of value. So we got those at Costco, and then Signs Now is making a cool super heavy duty sticker, so it'll go through the dishwasher, it'll go through all those things. So they're not only making those for us, but they're putting them on the bottles for us, and then we'll take those over to the radio station and they can include them with the weight loss participants. There's 34 of them. So that's awesome. Now we're headed out to one of our listings. Without going too much into it, the family we're helping had a family emergency and they're not able to get their house ready today for showing. We're just gonna go kind of freshen things up, make sure it's ready for a showing today, and then there's an open house this weekend and a realtor tour next week. So that way we can kind of help them out by getting it set for them.
Right.
Yeah, we have a bunch of anniversaries coming up actually. So Hutchison Real Estate Company will be celebrating an anniversary on March 31st. And our illustrious Kelly Maxwell has been with us about a year. Woohoo! April something or other. April 5th, she knows. Of course she does, because she knows everything about our company, which is awesome.
Because that's when my vacation rolls over.
Oh, and she gets new vacation. That's awesome. And then Brad, we've been working together.
Hi.
Hi. We've been working together for about a year, yeah? May?
Yeah, just about, yep.
I think May
1
was the first bit. So look at us, a whole year. We should do a montage.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Insert montage.
Insert montage.
Yes.
Shirts. Today is the last Friday of every month. If we pay $5 to the office, we can wear these sweet Red Day Keller Williams shirts. And the $5 donation goes to help feed some of the children in our community. So for years we've helped partner with the middle schools and the high schools to help on breaks when they don't always have enough food because they count on the school lunches and breakfasts. So when there's breaks, sometimes they don't get enough. So we're also taking gift cards out to, on behalf of Keller Williams Realty, we're taking those out to the 2 middle schools, the 2 high schools, and to Pell today as well. What else are we doing?
Big up sign.
Spring
Yeah,
thaw going on
taking up
there.
some signs that have been stuck frozen in the ground, and we're gonna get a care package for one of our clients' sons who isn't feeling super hot. So we're gonna get him a little care package and deliver that.